on the mighty branches of the trees in our alley. They're coming back. Our love sprouts again in the opposite attic. Spring hands with all its refreshment and beauty. It fills our hearts with love and light to get me through the window of the moon.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Oh, my friend, better than the fragrant petals of the colorful